Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what life might look like in the next 20 years. From smart technology to health, education, and the environment, we will explore the future of humanity in a simple and easy way. If you want to improve your English and learn interesting ideas at the same time, stay with us. Let's grow your knowledge with this video. Have you ever wondered what life will be like in the next 20 years? Will the world be better or worse? Will we live longer, healthier, and happier lives? Or will we face more problems like pollution, war, or job loss? Today, we are going to explore the possible future of humanity. We will look at how technology, the environment, health, education, and society might change. This journey is based on simple ideas and real predictions by experts. It is not about science fiction. It is about what could really happen if we make smart choices. Let's start our journey into the future. 1. Technology and daily life. In the next 20 years, technology will be everywhere. We already use smartphones, smartwatches, and smart homes. But in the future, these devices will be much smarter. They will understand our needs better. For example, your phone might remind you to drink water if it sees you are tired. Your home might turn on the lights and play music when you enter. You won't need to press buttons or give many commands. Things will just happen. Artificial intelligence, or AI, will help us more. It will make driving safer with self-driving cars. It will help doctors find diseases faster. It will help teachers give better lessons. Some jobs may disappear, but new jobs will appear too. People will need to learn new skills, but AI will also help us learn faster. Imagine learning a new language in just a few months, with help from a smart assistant. 2. Health and medicine. Healthcare will also change a lot. In the future, we might not need to go to the doctor so often. Small devices on our body will check our health every day. They will tell us if something is wrong before we feel sick. This will help stop many serious diseases early. Doctors will use robots in surgery. These robots will be very careful and make fewer mistakes than humans. Also, scientists are working on curing diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Medicine will be more personal. This means each person will get medicine that works best for their own body. People may live longer lives, and they will stay healthy even in old age. 3. Education and work. Education will not be the same. Students will learn more from computers, videos, and online classes. They will use virtual reality to visit other countries, planets, or even history. Schools will teach not only facts, but also how to think, create, and solve problems. More people will study at home or while traveling. Work will also change. Many people will work from home. Meetings will happen in 3D virtual rooms. People can work with others in different countries without traveling. Jobs in technology, health, and green energy will grow. Some people may even have robot co-workers. But human skills like creativity, care, and teamwork will still be very important. 4. The environment and climate change is one of the biggest problems we face. If we don't act now, the Earth may become hotter, drier, and more dangerous. But there is hope. In the next 20 years, we may use more clean energy like solar and wind. Electric cars may replace gas cars. People may eat less meat and waste less food. Cities will become greener. They may have more trees, clean air, and better public transport. We may build homes with natural materials and save more water. People will care more about nature and animals. If we all work together, we can stop many problems and make the planet healthy again. 5. Society and relationships. Our world is becoming more connected. In the future, we may have friends from all over the world. We can talk, work, and play together, even if we live far away. People will share ideas and help each other. We may see less hate and more understanding between different cultures. But we must be careful. Technology can bring us closer or push us apart. We need to protect our privacy and mental health. Social media can be helpful, but also harmful. People must learn how to use it in good ways. We must teach children how to be kind and respectful, online and 6. Travel and exploration. In the next 20 years, travel will be very different. It will be faster, safer, and more exciting. We may have flying taxis or very fast trains that take us from one city to another in minutes. Some people might travel to space as tourists. Companies are already building rockets for space travel. In the future, it may be normal for rich people to visit the moon or orbit the Earth. Inside cities, travel will also change. Self-driving buses and electric bikes may be everywhere. Roads will be safer and traffic will be less. Many cities will have clean public transport, like electric trains or cable cars. People might not need to own cars anymore. They can just call a vehicle with an app, and it will take them anywhere. Travel will not just be about moving. It will be about learning and enjoying new cultures. With virtual reality, you can visit the pyramids of Egypt or walk on the Great Wall of China without leaving your home. But real travel will still be important. Seeing new places with your own eyes teaches you a lot about the world and helps people understand each other better. 7. Food and agriculture. In the future, how we grow and eat food will also change. Farms will use robots to plant, water, and pick crops. These robots will work day and night. Some farms will be inside tall buildings in the city, called vertical farms. They will use less water and no harmful chemicals. Food will be cleaner, fresher, and safer. Scientists are also making new kinds of food. They can grow meat in a lab without killing animals. This meat is real, but it's made in a different way. It is better for the planet and may help stop animal cruelty. We will also eat more plant-based foods, like soy burgers or oat milk. These are healthy for people and better for nature. People will care more about what they eat. They will want food that is healthy, clean, and good for the earth. Smart kitchens will help you cook better. Your fridge might tell you when your food is about to go bad, or what recipes you can make with what you have. You may even have a robot that cooks for you. Part 8. Safety and security. With all these changes, safety and security will also be important. New technology brings new problems. In the future, cyber attacks may happen more often. Hackers may try to steal information or money from computers. So, we will need better protection for our data and privacy. Passwords may be replaced with face scans or fingerprints. Smart homes and cities will have cameras and sensors to keep people safe. But we must also protect freedom. It is important to find a balance between safety and personal rights. Laws will need to change to protect people from misuse of technology. Also, we may see new kinds of crime, but also new ways to stop it. Police may use AI to predict and prevent crimes. Drones may help find missing people or stop dangerous events. But human values, like fairness and justice, must guide how we use these tools. Part 9. Culture and entertainment. Entertainment will be more fun and creative. Movies, games, and music will feel more real. You may watch a movie and feel like you're inside it. You may play a game with people from other countries in a world that looks and feels almost like real life. Music concerts might happen online with 3D sounds and lights that you can feel from home. People will also create their own content more easily. With AI and smart tools, anyone can make music, write books, or film videos. You don't need to be a professional. You just need an idea and a little help from technology. This will let more voices be heard and more stories be shared. Culture will be more global. People will mix traditions from different places. You might eat Korean food while listening to African music and watching a French movie all in one evening. But it's also important to keep local culture alive. We should remember our history, language, and art. They are part of who we are. Part 10, Politics and Leadership. In 20 years, the way we lead and make decisions may also change. People may vote using their phones, making elections faster and more open. AI may help leaders understand problems better and find smart solutions. But people will still need to make the final choices. Machines can help, but they should not lead. There will be more focus on working together. Countries must solve problems like climate change, health, and peace together. If one country suffers, others will too. So, leaders will need to talk more, listen more, and think about the whole planet, not just their own land. Young people will have more power. They will speak up about things they care about, like the environment or human rights. Social media will help them share their ideas and connect with others. The world will need leaders who are honest, kind, and ready to. Conclusion. So, what will life be like in 20 years? No one knows for sure, but we can guess based on what we see today. Technology will help us live better, longer lives. Health and education will improve. We will work in new ways. We may solve big problems like climate change, but we must be careful and make smart choices. The future is not something that just happens. It is something we create every day with our actions and decisions. If we stay kind, curious, and careful, the future can be bright. Let's dream big, and let's work together to make that dream come true. The next 20 years can be full of hope, progress, and peace for all of us.